To use an Apple gift card for Cash App in 2025, you will first need to redeem the gift card on your Apple device. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to redeem gift card or code and enter the gift card code. The amount will be added to your Apple ID balance. Next, you will need to transfer the funds from your Apple ID balance to your bank account. To do this, go to the iTunes Store and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on your name and select Account. Then click on Add Money to Apple ID and select the amount you want to transfer. You can then select the payment method as your bank account. Once you have transferred the funds to your bank account, you can add them to your Cash App account. Open the Cash App on your device and tap the Banking tab. Select Add Cash and enter the amount you want to add. Then confirm the transaction. Alternatively, you can also use a third-party service to convert your Apple gift card to cash, which can then be deposited into your Cash App account. However, be aware that these services often charge fees and may not be as secure as using the official Apple and Cash App methods. It is also important to note that Apple gift cards can only be used to purchase digital goods and services from the App Store, iTunes Store, and other Apple services. They cannot be used to purchase physical goods or services from other retailers. In summary, to use an Apple gift card for Cash App in 2025, you will need to redeem the gift card on your Apple device. Transfer the funds to your bank account, and then add the funds to your Cash App account. By following these steps, you can easily convert your Apple gift card to cash and use it for various purposes, including depositing it into your Cash App account.